Hello, I'm Erica.
And I'm Dunny.
Today we're going to be looking at countable and uncountable nouns, and expressions. So let's take a look at this. Today we're going to go to the grocery store. Okay, so hey Danny, what do we need from the grocery store?
We need some apples.
All right, how many apples do we need?
About 1 kilo, I think.
All right, 1 kilo. And what about eggs? Do we have any eggs in the refrigerator?
Oh, no, we don't have any. We need about a dozen eggs.
Okay, so about maybe one carton of eggs?
Yeah, 1 carton.
All right, perfect. And what about rice? Do we have any rice?
No, we don't have any. We need some.
Okay, so to be safe, we should probably buy about 2 packages of rice.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, do we need anything else?
No, that's it, I think.
All right, let's go.
Perfect.
So here we are on our event to the grocery store. You can take a look at that information in our basic courses here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, 242-4158. Bye.
See you.